everybody, this is Lauren with I Teach Teachers Tech. We are going to look at how to use the digital stickers in the GoodNotes app. So if you are a techie like me and you have made the switch to maybe a digital planner, or you like taking notes digitally when you're in meetings or going to conferences because it's super easy to have your phone or your tablet with you versus a computer, then you'll be able to use these stickers in that planner. So where you're going to access your GoodNotes file is on page 4 of the user guide. You're going to click on that link up at the top. That's going to open up a Google Drive folder. All right, so once we are in the Google Drive folder, you'll see the GoodNotes sticker sheet. If you click on this on your iPad, it's going to tell you, or your mobile device, it's going to tell you it's not supported. So what you need to do is click on these 3 little dots, and then you're going to click download, and it's going to download, it's going to prepare to export. Go ahead and click GoodNotes in your folder there. And so now what you can do is all of these are, they're already pre-cropped. So if you like, you'll just find the sticker that you like. I think this one's funny. So we're going to click on that, hold it down, and then we're going to copy. And then I can go to any of my other notebooks. Let's see here. We'll do this one right here. And then I can just click on the screen and paste, and it's going to bring my little sticker into any of my GoodNotes notebooks. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. You'll just need to make sure that when you access that file that you're already on your mobile device, or you can download it from your computer and then send it to your mobile device, whichever works best for you. I hope you enjoy these stickers. I hope they made you smile. I had a great time creating them. And if you have any other suggestions for stickers that you might like to see, feel free to let me know.